Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, samahan nyo kami guys sa pag-celebrate ko ng birthday dito sa CD Nature View sa May Silang, Cavite. So, ito yung napili ko guys kasi maganda yung kanilang accommodation, and then meron na rin silang pool. And ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng nakuha naming accommodation. So, good for 2-person to. Pero, nag-additional lang ako ng bed, which is mag-a-add ka ng 500 kasi tatlo kami, kasama ko yung dalawa kong anak. So, ayan, may pa-welcome sila. And then, complete na to guys. Meron na rin silang, dito, rep, mini rep, tapos may microwave na rin. So, okay to sa amin kasi mahilig kami magdala ng food. So, ayan, may dalang kaming dalang ice cream and then mga ilang food. So, ayan, meron na rin sila ditong pang coffee, ganyan. Meron na rin kettle. So, ito yung kanilang CR. So, very aesthetic din. Napakaganda ng kanilang CR. So, overall, maganda tong accommodation na kuha ko. Gusto ko kasi yung medyo wood style. So, ayan, may heater na rin yung kanilang shower. Okay guys, punta naman tayo sa balcony. So, nasa taas lang to ng accommodation namin. So, dito, meron table and chair. So, pwede kayo dito kumain. And then, makikita nyo dito yung mountain view. And then, yung pool. Ayan. Tapos, yung isa pang accommodation, which is yung A cabin frame. So, I believe mga nasa 4 to 8 packs yung pwede dito. So, details na lang guys, ilalagay ko sa description box. And then, yung kanilang FB page. So, kung gusto nyo mag-inquire. So, ito naman yung kanilang garden area. Ito, meron ditong activities na pwedeng gawin ng mga kids. May billiards, and then may basketball. And then, may videoke na rin sila dito. So, visit nyo na lang kanilang FB page para sa mga rates.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place.
Okay guys, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung kanilang pool area. So, malawak din tong pool nila. Tapos, 4 to 5 feet yung lalim. So, okay na okay to. Tapos, kung day tour kayo guys, meron ditong area para magluto kayo. Tapos, meron din ditong ihawan. Tapos, may CR din. So, okay na okay to guys. Napakaganda ng kanilang pool. Okay guys, so ito yung kanilang balcony. So, ayan, mas maganda siya pagka gabi na kasi maganda yung mga pailaw. So, dito na kami magdi-dinner. Morning guys. So grabe, it's a rainy morning. So ayan, nakikita nyo nagpa-fog dito sa Silang Cavite. Sobrang lamig. So, ayan, mag-breakfast muna kami, guys. Okay guys, ito yung sa A-cabin frame. So, may sarili sila ditong aesthetic vibes. So, ang ganda rin dito. Sayang lang umuulan.